Okay, again, I just took a little break to stop on the boardwalk. We have some powder blue clouds, a powder blue sky with puffy marshmallow clouds here. Again, it is Friday. It is June 13th, 2020. The mask goes back on. There's been a surge in the infection rate here in South Florida. But look around me. Nobody. Got miles of interlocking lakes and pathways to drive my bike, ride my little motorbike here, and yeah, I'm on it now. So I guess I'll be switching gears and start it up a little bit. Just holding this in